Hey guys, here's Catiana. I'm back with a new video, and by the title you can probably guess that this is about cheerleading. So what I would love to do is get my toe touch back. I used to have such a beautiful toe touch, but that's been years ago. I haven't done a toe touch in forever. I don't know, probably like 3 years or something like that. And I only did it occasionally a couple of years back because I still used to coach, and my junior girls were always like, oh my gosh, show us your toe touch. So I did like 1 or 2 every couple of weeks, but that was it. Not really like training them anymore, so I know that they weren't that pretty. But yeah, I definitely want my toe touch back. So what I'm going to do now is just stretch out a little bit, do a couple of drills, and then see where I'm at, because I don't even know how it looks at the moment. So yeah, wish me luck. Gotten hard. Okay, so this is my first try of actually doing it. I'm kind of scared, but there's no point in overstretching and doing like dozens of drills at this point, because I just don't have the endurance. So I'd rather just try it and then try to make it better over the weeks. So we'll see. Didn't even feel that bad, but I don't know, maybe it looked bad. Okay, so I just reviewed the footage, and oh my goodness, it felt so much better than it looked. My toes are totally not pointed whatsoever, and I think my right leg is a lot lower than my left leg. It's so odd. So I'll definitely have to go again. I'll do a couple of rounds, and then I'll get to my actual track practice, because if I do too much, I'm going to be way exhausted. So this is a longer process. I'm not just trying to get it back in one day, because I know that's not reasonable. So let me just try a couple more times. Give me some grace, and we'll see where it ends up. I tried to point my toes. Okay, so I'm on my morning run, and I decided to now also do my toe touches, and I stretched a little bit, but we'll see how it goes. I don't think I'm in the form to really do them just now. I don't think I've ever done toe touches this early in the morning. Oh, it's just getting worse. But yeah, the weather is still nice, and it's going to be horrible later on today, so I decided to just do them now. So yeah. I swear this used to be so much easier. my goodness. Okay, so I was about to say, I know what you're thinking. Just get on with it. But when I did those spread eagles, I felt it in my crotch like so bad. It hurt so bad. I'm kind of scared. I'm kind of really scared. Shoot. Oh, why is this so much harder than I expected it to be? It was okay. Whew. They're so ugly, and I know it. I know it. Okay, now I'm going to try to do some doubles and triples and see how it goes. I don't think my arm swing is very nice, and I have to remember to jump through and like push through my toes so that they're not only pointed but rotated outward and upward. So yeah, I remember telling all of these things to my cheer kids, and now I'm not doing them. It's like so stupid. Ugh. Okay, so I think I just changed my mind. I'll actually do some. Oh, shit. Okay, let's do that again. Wait. This is like the worst excuse, but my legs are so tired from the tempo runs I just did. Please forgive me. Those probably looked hideous. But once again, I'm tired. I shouldn't do this after practice. This should be part of my warm-up. A little bit better. That felt kind of good, and I've never done the arms like that, but we'll see. So it's 7 a.m. I'm on my way to go to practice, which is good. So let's do this. So maybe I should start not working out so hard before doing anything for my toe touches, because I tend to be super exhausted whenever I start trying to do anything to get my toe touch back. So I just did a half an hour like HIIT workout, and I'm so tired, but I'm going to do a couple of exercises for my toe touches nonetheless.
Wenn 50% weniger ist.
Genau, ich bin nur 80.
Die 20.
Ja, aber ich meine ja.
Aber warum darf die werden?
Das frage ich mich auch gerade. Oh my gosh, did you see how much slower I got towards the end? Oh my goodness. But it's not as bad as it was a couple weeks ago. But still, it's not good. Just gonna do a few jumps and then get on with my training. And I think is it tomorrow? Oh my god, I think tomorrow my challenge is up. But I hope I will be able to get my toe touch where I feel like I should be able to have it back to. Was that a full English sentence? I don't know. Anyhow, let's see how I do. What was that? Oh my goodness. I tried to do a couple of different jumps just because the toe touch is obviously not the only cheer jump there is. There are quite a few. There's the hurler, the double 9, which no one does, tucks, and spread eagles, and all sorts of jumps. And I just wanted to do them all because I haven't done them in forever. And the spread eagle like really hurt like 2+ weeks ago for some reason, because I just don't use the inner muscle of my thigh enough, I guess. So whenever I tried to squeeze my legs back together at the end, it hurt so much. But right now I felt a little bit, but not really. So that's definitely improvement, which is noticeable after just 2 weeks. Gosh, that bird is loud. Hello. But yeah, that is quite cool, and my toe touches still sucks. So I'm going to do them again and try to remember throughout all jumps to really push through my toes so that they're pointed. So yeah, I'm just going to try to make them look a little neater and then get on with my practice. Oh my goodness, that first set felt like real toe touches again, and I was a little flabbergasted just now. And the second set was horrendous and absolutely atrocious. So we're going to do it one more time, and then I'm going to kill myself with tumblers. So come on, Kat, you can do this. That's it for today. We'll see if I can actually just a little better in my actual cheerleading shoes. I'm going to try to find them. I think I know where to look. And then let's see how my challenge went and if I can really reproduce my 2012 toe touches. Good morning. It is challenge day and I'm kind of excited. Oh my god. I'm kind of excited, and it is 7 a.m., which is why I can't talk properly. Good thing is I only have to do jumps, I don't have to talk. So first thing I'm going to do is put on my cheer shoes, which I am so excited for. You don't even know, like, putting on real cheer shoes feels different. And oh my gosh, just look at them. They're so pretty. So the colors of my team back in the day were orange, but the juniors had purple, so that's what my shoes are, because I coached juniors for like 5 years. And yeah, I just want to put on these shoes to feel a little better, I guess. And then I'm going to warm up cheer style this time, because I'm not doing a usual practice today morning, just jumps. And after that, like after my warm-up, I'm just going to try to actually do my jumps to the best of my ability and see how I do after practicing cheer jumps to some degree pretty much every day for the last 3 weeks. So let's see how I do. So now we're going to get to the meat and potatoes of this challenge. I'm kind of worried I didn't improve, but I think I did. So I'm just going to cross my fingers and rewatch what I'm going to film in a minute or two. And then later on I'm going to kind of talk about what I think changed. But yeah, let's get to my toe touches. Horrible. So on to round 2. And this is where I stand today. I started off with just 1 toe touch, and I couldn't have done 3 of these on grass 3 weeks ago. And all in all, good toe touches take repetition and all of the exercises I showed in this video. If you enjoyed, thank you so much for being on this ride with me. It was a lot of fun. And if you have any questions, let me know. And other than that, I hope you have a great day and we see each other in the next video. Until then, bye!